guys, it's Jacqueline from Soul Food Collective, bringing you all things vegan and how to live a healthy, holistic lifestyle for you and your dogs. Today I'm going to be making sweet potatoes. My dogs are obsessed with sweet potatoes. It's a great addition to their diet. It has many health benefits, and it's really easy because I cook it for myself and it's something that's safe to give my dogs. So let's get started. Right now I have a pot of water boiling, and I am just going to cut up these sweet potatoes, cube them. Sweet potatoes are excellent for your dog. They are full of fiber, great for digestion. They're low in fat, lots of really good vitamins like vitamin A, which is great for their skin, their coat, as well as vitamin C, which is great for their immune system. Because sweet potatoes are a whole food, they are less likely to cause an immune response, and sweet potatoes help protect against disease. So they're great for your little pups. Add your sweet potatoes to your boiling water and boil until fork tender, about 10 to 12 minutes. What do you guys think? Do you love sweet potatoes? Oh yes, they love me and sweet potatoes. Pink, you're so cute. I love sweet potatoes. Pink, are you sleeping? Do sweet potatoes bore you? All right, once your sweet potatoes have cooled, you can now put them in the dish and give them a nice little mash. You can also mash these ahead of time and just store them in a glass container in your refrigerator for up to a week. Okay? Oh, my dogs are going crazy. I'm just giving them these sweet potatoes right now as a little snack, but I usually add just a little bit to their bowl in the evening along with their main source of protein. Okay, let's go. Bon appetit. There you have it, easy sweet potatoes for your pups. They're going to love it, probably just as much as mine do. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Okay guys, bye.